Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Demarai agree. Demarai agree. Demarai agree people. Different gravy. Now, I just saw a highlight reel of Demarai Gray of the game that he played last night. And for some reason, me always check out some of the highlight reels. And I have to say, man, this guy is different, man. This guy is really different. Anyways, before I get into the details of the video, we're going to discuss Demarai Gray. And we're going to just highlight the pass that he made, the brilliance of that pass that he made, and what it meant for him at full time. I'm going to show you guys that you're going to see it in a video clip. I'm not going to put up, and you're going to see it. But other than that, people, this has been so far a brilliant Gold Cup campaign for the Reggae Boyz, especially the newcomers. All the newcomers coming into the squad have had it. They have had a significant value to the team, and certainly it makes the team click. It makes the team a lot better. We're gonna get into that details. As you can see up here, on the road to 30,000 subscribers, people, please help us reach that target. Please help us reach that target. And big shout out to our channel members and patrons. Big up, my respect. You guys keep on helping the program to grow, and we really appreciate that. All right, let's get to the meat of the matter. Let me just, first of all, I'm not gonna waste the time. I'm just gonna show you the show me have to show. I'm just gonna show it right away. Now, this is the pass. This is the pass made by Demarai Gray, people. I want you guys to have a look. Let me see if I can turn on the desktop audio so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, this is the pass, people. You're gonna see it now. Good. Now, what I love about this is we're now putting numbers in attack. The two most creative players linking up in Daniel Johnson and Demarai Gray. Leon Bailey it's Bobby Reed actually. Is there as well. Look at this now. Look at this run by Amari Bell. Looking at the line, he's watching the line now. So, and he also creeping behind the right back. Right back had no clue. But look at what happened when Gray received the ball. It's great. Right at this present moment, I'm gonna play it so you guys can see it fully again. But right at this present moment, the defenders, as you can see, all defenders are preparing for a shot. The centre back here, midfielders here, marking Mikel Antonio. But these two defend. I think this is the right back. They are not picking up Amari Bell because all of them are looking for a top bins shot. Everyone looking for that top bins. And it's quite funny. It just goes to show that the vision and the technical ability of Demarai Gray is just on showcase here. Look at the pass, reverse pass. Gray plays it. And I am telling you, Amari Bell, I'm not sure. I'm not even sure how prepared he was when he received the ball. He could have been. He probably was shocked when he received that ball. He probably was shocked when he received that ball. Look at the centre back here and the right back here, holding his hand up like, dude, what are you doing around there? You gotta be offside. Bell, right foot finish. A lot of quality. Gray to Bell. A lot of quality. Let's see if we can see it in slow motion. 14th cap. Let's look at it in slow motion here. Look at that pass. Bell was clear onside because when he received the ball, it's slightly out there, but when the ball was passed, it was clear, and a wonderful finish from Bell. Near post as well. Near post. You got to be brave to go near post right there. Puts them a step. You have to be brave. You have to be brave to go near post right there. And I was surprised that he went near post. I'm happy that he went near post as well because maybe the keeper got the other angles covered, but the pass, people. I'm try to speak the French. Quality. Can't speak French, but I make up some French sound. I think I saw the French sound. And I saw them sound. Yeah. People, that pass was brilliant. Now I'm gonna showcase you guys his reaction, Demarai Gray's reaction at full time just what it meant to him getting this game over the line. Let me see if I can bring it up. Another beautiful save there by. Good. Good. So that's full time. Let me just. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna zoom in on Gray. I'm just zoom in on Gray here, so you guys can see him a lot better. So he's basically there. So let me just zoom in on him, so you guys can see much bigger than what we're seeing right here. Let me just zoom in on him a bit. I want you guys to see the reaction from him. It's the reaction I want you guys to see. So let me just make it bigger. I want you to see his reaction, what it meant to him. Let me just make some more space here. Good. So you guys can see now. That's clear. That's evidently clear that you guys can see. Alright, good. Look at him. This is what it meant to him. Let me just bring back just a little bit here. Andre Bate holding on to that ball. Like his life depends on it. Full time. Look at that. Hands in the air.
There's your final
down on the floor. That's what it means. That's what it means, people. Get in. That's what it means. That's what it means. I think they're gonna oh, because I've got to make it bigger so you guys can see. Yeah. Get in. Let me just bring you back just a bit. Look at that. Look at that. That's what it means. He left everything on the pitch. He couldn't even get. He left people. He left every single bit of energy on the pitch. Every bit of energy. I mean, I just consistently adjust. But let me tell people, it is a wonderful sight to see. He left every single thing. This is what we're talking about. An impactful player.
They will meet Mexico
an impactful player.
With a spot.
Let me can celebrate.
They will meet Mexico on Wednesday night for 5 Gold Cups. Jamaica
Don't
will play in a semi-final. They will meet Mexico
not even
on
can
Wednesday
celebrate.
night with a spot in the 2023 Gold Cup final.
Fans gone crazy. Fans gone crazy. People, that is what it means to Demarai Gray. He needs this. He wants this. Now, if you look into it, people, when he made this switch, he's making that switch on the basis of achieving things. And this is one step further to him justifying making that switch. This is one step further in him justifying making that switch. And if this team, people, I don't even think you understand what it means, you know, if this team should win this Gold Cup, you know, what it means for the other players in the diaspora. It's big. It's huge. It's huge, people. It's really, really huge. Anyways, tell us what you think about this Demarai Gray celebration and his goals, his assists, the beauty of his assists. Tell us what you think about it. Smash that like button. Remember to hit the subscribe button, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. All right. Boom.